by the Afridi, penultimate over. Steps out and cracks it, and it's gone over the rope. That's a fine shot from the young man. Gets himself into the 90s. And also the first 6 of the innings.
Came down the track, played inside out, finding the gap there. It's not easy to come down the track against Afridi. Beautiful hit. He's full of confidence. Cuts it. And that will go for 4 as well. He's on fire. He's on 96. Just one shot away from his 100. Crowd is loving it.
Well, brings up the 50 partnership with the boundary, but that's inconsequential now. He's just one stroke away from his first one-day international 100. 10 boundaries and 1 6. There's been a 6 in this over. Boundary to follow up. Well, is he going to go for glory? Just biding his time, no matter what. Whatever the situation, there will be nerves in the 90s. Win or lose, Bangladesh, it's our pride. Oh, that's out of edge, and will run away down to third man. Fielder in hot pursuit, Umar Gul. Desperate dive, but that is the 100 for the young man. Nasir Hossain collects 100, and it's his first in one-day international. Outstanding effort coming in at 19 for 4. Then in a losing cause, it doesn't matter. He will have a lot to look forward to in life.
Crowd is happy, coaches are happy. Well done, Nasir. He has batted really well. He's shown everyone that it's possible to face Pakistani bowlers, although they are good, but it's not impossible to do it. And he has done it.
And that's how he got to his 100. And definitely coach and company thrilled to be